Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. If we haven't even met before, my name is Shiv. Hello, if you're coming back then welcome. In today's video I have this Medusa Snake Queen inspired Halloween look. I'm going to face this side because this side did not go so well. So all pictures will be taken from this side. I wanted to create like a Snake Queen reptile Medusa kind of vibe makeup look for Halloween. I know Medusa is more of like a stone kind of look, but I wanted to like jazz it up a little bit and make it look a little bit more like green and gold and that kind of thing. So if you want to see how I created this look, then please carry on watching. Before you do, please give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. It means the absolute world, and let's just carry on with the video. Okay, so let's get Medusa up in here. I'm taking the Anastasia Beverly Hills Subculture palette and I'm going to go in with the shade Edge, which is like this mustardy yellow kind of colour. I just wanted a little bit of a yellow background to the green shadows, so I'm blending that through my crease nice and softly. Then I'm going to take this kind of like khaki green colour called Destiny from the same palette and blend that through my crease also. I'm taking it on the Sigma E25 blending brush. I'm taking it really far into that inner corner because I'm going to drag the liner and the cut crease down later on, so I want to make it look nice and like snake-like. I feel like this makes your eyes look very elongated. Just make sure to tap off the excess. This palette just have quite a lot of fallout. I'm just going back and forth in between the green and the yellow. Now I'm taking a mixture of Axis and Untamed from the palette just to deepen up the crease on a teeny tiny Morphe brush, just blending that all in and just deepening everything up. And I'll probably just go back and forth through the colours a good few times just to create a nice transition through the greens and the yellows. I decided to take the green a little bit higher up later on, which you'll see kind of gradually build up. Now moving on to the lid, I'm going to cut the crease using the Bella Pierre makeup base, of course. This is like one of my favourite products at the moment. I don't know why, I just love it. It just blends on really nicely. So I'm going to take it right deep into that inner corner and pull it out in a little kind of wing type shape. Just taking my time with it because I want this to be really precise. Then I'm going to dampen my MAC 242 brush and take this gorgeous like limey green with a shift of brown in it. This is Electric from Anastasia Beverly Hills. I don't know if it officially has a shift of brown, but it kind of looks that way to me. So I'm going to set that lid with the Electric shade. Now I'm taking a cream colour, also from Anastasia. This is in the shade Jet, which is just a jet black. And I'm going to take a teeny tiny little liner brush and pop that through the crease just to really like deepen it. This did take me a long while to really get it, and I kind of wish I had like wet the liner a little bit because it was a little bit dry at this point and kind of pulled on my eye. So I'm just taking the brush with Electric and neatening it up. Now onto actual wing liner. I used my favourite liner, which is the Revolution Renaissance Flick liner pen, and use this to create a nice wing along my lash line, pulling up right into the tail of that kind of liner section from the Anastasia cream liner, putting it right down into the inner corner, peeling off the tape. Then I'm going to add a lot of dark black liner. This is the Jordana Cosmetics Easy Liner for Eyes in the shade black. I originally got this from Beauty Bay and it's not on there anymore, not too sure why, but any black kohl liner you have will absolutely do for this look. Just really smudging it right underneath. And then I'm going to take the mixture of Axis and Untamed and really blend that underneath the lower lash line for a really smoky look. Then I'm going to take some eyelash curlers and curl my lashes. I'm just laughing because I don't know if you heard anyone sneeze in the background. Then I'm taking some mascara. This is Primark's Wonderlash mascara, and I'm applying a generous coat to my lashes in preparation for the falsies. For falsies, I'm taking these ones from Primark. They are in style Drama and they are faux mink lashes. I am never wearing mink lashes ever again. Research about it. Have a little read. Anyway, I'm going to spray up my face with Primark's primer water, fan that all over. Then going in with Primark's matte foundation in the shade Ivory. I promise this video is not sponsored by Anastasia or Primark. I just happen to use a lot of their products. I'm just blending this into the skin using my spicy choco sponge. Then for concealer, I took the Winky Luxe concealer in the shade Light, just concealed my usual places. I didn't cream contour because the patches where I usually cream contour would be covered by the snaky reptile print, so there was absolutely no point really putting that behind, like wasting my product. So I'm just blending this into the skin using my damp spicy choco sponge, just taking my sweet time with this to make sure it's really blended into the skin. Then moving on to setting the face, I'm taking my Primark My Perfect Colour Mattifying Powder in the shade Ivory and using that to set my face. I'm just using this brush from Show. I have it linked down below. Or you can just search Show Beauty, and I'm going to set my face with that. Then I'm contouring using this middle shade from the Anastasia Beverly Hills Light Contour Kit. It's like the more cool tone contour, and I'm going to take it on my BH Cosmetics No. 3 brush and just contour all around my face. So under my cheekbones, forehead, under the jaw, down my nose, under my lip, the usual places. Just kind of adds a little bit of shape to the face. I'm going to bronze up the skin. I know I said there was no point cream contouring, but I feel like my face just looked way too like one tone, so I really wanted to add some bronzer. I went a little bit heavy on one side. That side just was not good to me in this video, and you should see later on. I'm going to set my face now. This is Primark's matte setting spray, spritzing that all over my face. Then once that's dry, I'm going to go in with the Revolution Final Liquid Lip Nightmare. I was filming an Instagram video and I totally forgot to show the actual like YouTube camera at this, but anyway, I'm going to pop this all over my lips. I didn't actually realise that it doesn't set. I didn't read the description properly when I bought it. I just kind of needed some stuff for Halloween. I panic bought, but actually I quite like it glossy. I feel like it complements the look really well. Yeah, it doesn't dry down to a matte finish or anything, but it does last actually quite a long time, so quite impressed with that. Then time for the stockings. So these are some old fishnet stockings. I literally just use these for Halloween. I'm going to snip off the like top bit of it, like the garter kind of section, just because it wouldn't really work on my face. To be completely honest, in this tutorial I thought it was going to be like slapdash and kind of go, but it actually was really difficult. So you just want to make sure that the stocking is really tight to your face, and then take some shadows, whatever ones you want to use. I took a mixture of the Destiny shade and then also the Electric shade on top of it, which is like the light shimmery lime green kind of colour, and I used that to dab on top of the stocking. The side that I'm doing now is the best one out of all of them, just because of how tight it was pressed to my face, and I kind of wish I did my liquid lips afterwards, so I could get it really defined, because like this bit here I think looks really cool. I was quite impressed with that, but then it just gets worse as it goes on, and you'll see in this video, and it's one of those things I couldn't really go back and fix it. So yeah, I just definitely would advise you guys, like if you want to do this at home, it is super easy to do. Just make sure it's really tight to your face and you've got it close to your hairline as well, so it's not like a random patch. This is the bit of the makeup here that I'm doing right now that I really wasn't that impressed with. You'll see it once I peel back the stocking shortly. I just wasn't impressed, and I don't know, it just didn't look the greatest, you guys. Wasn't happy with it at all. But yeah, just make sure the stocking is nice and close to your face so you can have a gorgeous reptile kind of look for Halloween. But yeah, thank you so much for watching, and you'll see the finished look in 3, 2, 1. And this is the finished makeup look. I had a lot of fun at creating this look. Admittedly, this side did not go well, so we're just going to cover that up and pretend that didn't happen. With the like fishnets and everything, they are so amazing for Halloween time, like mermaids, reptile kind of effect. However, just make sure they're really clipped on tight to your face. I would recommend like cutting it down and then getting some like curvy grips and then clipping them on. Maybe doing them before the lips and before the eyes. This side looks pretty cool. This side is just a bit of a mess. Like it looks really like muddy and just like I've gone like that and like placed it on my face. So all pictures will be taken from this side. But yeah, I had a lot of fun at creating this look. It's like Medusa Snake Queen kind of inspired look. I know Medusa is like a stone kind of woman with like snakes and stuff coming out of her head and her hair, but that's not what I wanted to do. I wanted to do something a little bit more glam. If you wanted to, you could definitely just do the eyes and the lips and then just go about your day Halloween style if you wanted to. But if you did enjoy this look anyway, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. It means the absolute world. It really does. Check me out on Instagram and I shall see you in my next video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye!